Assalamualaikum. Myself Muhammad Sudan Rizwan. Today we are going to stimulate a multiplexer and a demultiplexer. So first of all we will make a circuit of multiplexer, for which we need 4 AND gates, 1 OR gate, 4 inputs, 2 NOT gates, an LED light and a ground, and 2 switches. First we will join one input of AND gate to switch 1, then second AND gate with switch 2, third AND gate with switch 3, and at 4 AND gate with D4. Now we will join the second input of AND gate, first AND gate, with this NOT gate, then this third input with this second NOT gate. Now we will join the second input of AND gate with this, and the third input we will join it here. The second input of third AND gate we will join it here, and the fourth with this one. Second input of fourth AND gate we will join it here, and this here. Now we will join the AND gates with this OR gate, we will join this OR gate with this LED, and this LED with ground. Our circuit is complete. Now we will check the input. We will check that our multiplexer is working fine or not. Now we will stimulate this circuit and check these inputs. When switch S1 and switch S0 is 0 and D is 0, then we will see F is 0. For this combination of switches, the output is only depend upon D1. Now when we change the D1 to 1 input, then the output is 1, as we see. Now we will change S1 to 1 and D2 to 0, then the output is 0. For this combination of S0 and S1, the output depends upon D2. Now we will change D2 to 1. As we see, the switch glows, the LED glows, so the output is 1. Now we set S1 0 and S0 1. For this combination of switches, the output depends upon D3. So when D3 is 0, then the output is 0. Now we change the D3 to 1, then the LED glows, so the output is 1. Now we set both the switches S0 and S1 to 1. Now for this combination, output depends upon D4. So when D4 is 0, then the output is 0, and when D4 is 1, then the output is 1. So our circuit is working fine, as we check. So this is the multiplexer.